Welcome to the wonderful world of gardening. Today, we're going to learn how to create and take care of our very own garden. Gardening is fun, educational, and a great way to spend time outdoors. Let's get started.
First, we need to prepare our garden. What tools do we need?
We need a spade to dig the soil, a rake to level it, and a watering can to water the plants. And don't forget the seeds.
That's right. Let's gather our tools and get our hands dirty.
What should we plant in our garden?
We can plant vegetables like tomatoes and carrots, fruits like strawberries, and even flowers like sunflowers.
Great choices. Each plant needs different care, so let's learn about them.
Now let's plant our seeds. Make a small hole, place the seed inside, and cover it with soil.
Don't forget to water them gently.
Perfect. Remember, plants need water, sunlight, and love to grow.
Our plants are growing. What should we do next?
We need to water them regularly, pull out the weeds, and make sure they get enough sunlight.
Taking care of your garden is a daily task. Watch how your plants grow and change every day.
Look at how much our plants have grown.
It's amazing to see them grow from tiny seeds to big plants.
Plants grow in stages, from seed to sprout, then to a young plant, and finally to a mature plant that can produce flowers or fruits.
It's time to harvest our vegetables and fruits.
I can't wait to taste them.
Harvesting is the most rewarding part of gardening. Enjoy the fruits of your labor by making a delicious salad or sharing with friends.
Gardening is so much fun and healthy too.
Yes, and we can share our fresh produce with everyone.
Gardening teaches us patience, responsibility, and the importance of nature. It's a wonderful hobby that brings joy and healthy food to our lives. Thank you for joining us on this gardening adventure. Remember, anyone can be a gardener with a little effort and a lot of love. Happy gardening!